Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix a frozen account in Bluevine Business Checking. So let's start with the first step, which is to check the restriction alert. So open the Bluevine application and look for the red banner at the top of login or home screen that says your account access is temporarily restricted. Next is review the frozen account notice. So tap on the alert to see the full account frozen, action required, message, and identify the recent transaction triggered the review. Next is contact the Bluevine support. So go to the support tab, start a chat, and explain that your account is frozen. The agent will tell you exactly which documents are needed to release the hold. Next is upload your ID and bank statement. So you can use the in-app camera to take a clear photo of your government issued ID and upload a recent business bank statement as proof of activity. Lastly is confirm your account is restored. So once the Bluevine approves your documents, you will see a green account restored banner and your full balance and transfer buttons will be active again. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!